Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wheelbarrows that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Upgrade 2-Wheel Wheelbarrow by IDZO, which is our budget-friendly option priced at just $52.49. Despite being the most affordable on our list, it offers a solid feature set that makes it a great pick for casual gardeners or homeowners tackling lighter yard tasks. The two-wheel design provides excellent stability, and the 14-inch pneumatic tires ensure smooth maneuverability across uneven terrain. With a load tray capacity of 5 cubic feet and a weight limit of 330 pounds, this wheelbarrow can handle a variety of materials, from mulch to firewood. The design combines functionality and durability, featuring a tough polyethylene tray paired with a powder-coated steel frame. The padded handlebar is ergonomically designed for comfort, making the task of pushing or pulling the cart less strenuous. Assembly is straightforward and hassle-free, so you can get started quickly. However, due to its lighter build quality, it's better suited for less demanding tasks rather than heavy-duty construction or landscaping jobs. In terms of value, this wheelbarrow is hard to beat for the price. It's perfect for those who need a reliable yet affordable option for everyday gardening. The main downside is that the polyethylene tray may not hold up as well under heavier loads compared to pricier models. But overall, it's a versatile and budget-friendly choice for light to medium-duty yard work. At rank number 4, we have the Elevon Dual-Wheel Home Garden Yard Utility Wheelbarrow. Priced at $80.58, this model strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds and a 5 cubic foot tray, it's designed for homeowners seeking a reliable tool for medium-duty gardening and landscaping tasks. The dual air-filled tires and padded handlebar make it easy to lift, balance, and maneuver, even on uneven terrain. The rust-proof deep tray is ideal for hauling soil, mulch, gravel, and other materials. The wheelbarrow's steel frame and durable build ensure longevity, while the quick assembly, taking just 5 minutes, is a major convenience. The built-in stand helps stabilize the wheelbarrow during loading and unloading. However, its weight of 24.9 pounds makes it slightly heavier than some competitors, which may be a consideration for users prioritizing portability. Additionally, while the tray is rust-proof, it may not be as resistant to heavy impacts as poly or metal trays on higher-end models. Overall, the Elevon wheelbarrow is a dependable option for light to medium-duty tasks. It's particularly suited for homeowners who value ease of use and quick assembly. The padded handlebar adds a layer of comfort, but it lacks some of the advanced features seen in premium models, like quick-release dumping mechanisms. Nonetheless, it's a solid, mid-range choice for garden enthusiasts. Coming in at rank number 3 is the Garden Star 7019 Garden Barrow, priced at $80.20. This dual-wheel residential wheelbarrow is designed for homeowners who need a reliable and easy-to-use tool for everyday gardening projects. The 2 air-filled tires provide excellent balance and maneuverability, making it easier to lift and transport loads compared to traditional single-wheel designs. With a 4 cubic foot rust-proof poly tray and a weight capacity of 300 pounds, this wheelbarrow is ideal for tasks like moving mulch, dirt, or rocks. The powder-coated loop handle is a standout feature, allowing for seamless pushing, pulling, and dumping of contents. Its lightweight design, just under 20 pounds, makes it highly portable and easy to store. Plus, assembly is a breeze, requiring only 6 bolts to get it up and running. While the poly tray is durable and rust-proof, it's best suited for light residential use rather than heavy-duty professional tasks. In terms of value, the Garden Star 7019 is a fantastic pick for casual gardeners looking for a straightforward and efficient tool. The main drawback is its limited capacity and durability for heavier loads. But for smaller projects, it excels in both performance and ease of use. If you're searching for a wheelbarrow that's lightweight and user-friendly, this one is a great choice. At rank number 2, we have the Gorilla Carts GCR4 Poly Dump Cart, priced at $89.98. This two-wheel garden wagon is a step up in terms of versatility and performance. With a 4 cubic foot capacity and a weight limit of 300 pounds, it's perfect for hauling medium loads like soil, mulch, and bricks. The innovative two-wheel design enhances stability, while the quick-release dump mechanism ensures hassle-free unloading. One of the standout features is the foldable handle, which makes storage incredibly convenient, especially for those with limited space in their garage or shed. The sturdy build combines a plastic poly tray with a metal frame, providing durability without adding excessive weight. Assembly is quick and simple, and the push-pull design offers fantastic maneuverability. However, it's worth noting that its weight capacity is slightly lower than higher-end models, so it's better suited for medium-duty tasks rather than heavy-duty landscaping or construction use. Overall, the Gorilla Carts GCR4 is a versatile and durable option for homeowners and casual gardeners. Its ease of use, foldable handle, and innovative dumping system make it a standout choice for those who value convenience and reliability. The only downside is its limited capacity for heavy loads, but for most residential tasks, this wheelbarrow delivers exceptional performance. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Gorilla Carts Heavy-Duty Poly-Utility Dump Wagon, priced at $125.35. This premium model is the ultimate choice for homeowners and professionals alike, offering unparalleled performance and durability. With a massive 600-pound weight capacity and a 4 cubic foot hauling tray, this wheelbarrow is designed for heavy-duty tasks like landscaping, construction, and large-scale gardening. The patented quick-release dump mechanism makes unloading fast and effortless, saving you time and energy during big projects. The design is built to last, featuring a rust-resistant poly tray and a powder-coated steel frame for enhanced durability. The pneumatic tires ensure smooth maneuverability across all terrains, while the four-wheel setup provides maximum stability even when carrying heavy loads. At 30.2 pounds, it's heavier than most other models, but the robust construction is worth the trade-off for those tackling demanding tasks. If you're looking for a top-tier wheelbarrow that can handle anything you throw at it, the Gorilla Carts Heavy-Duty Dump Wagon is the clear winner. Its premium price reflects its exceptional quality and advanced features, making it ideal for professionals and serious DIYers. The only downside is the higher price tag, but if durability, capacity, and ease of use are your priorities, this is the best option out there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.